Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and quick snack recipe that's spicy, crispy and tasty, and it's perfect for evening tea. Street style onion samosas. And if you have spring roll or samosa sheets handy, you can make it in less than 15 minutes. So let's begin then. First, let's make the stuffing. In a pan, heat just enough oil to fry the onions and add the onions and green chilies. I like to cook the onions a bit before using it for stuffing because the spring roll sheets are very thin and cook in no time like papad, which sometimes may leave the onions raw. So this way, by pre-cooking them, we get rid of that problem. We just need to sweat the onions a bit. They should still retain their shape and crunch. Now add the salt and mix it well. Next add the spice powders, turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder and chaat masala. Give it a mix and switch off the flame. Add the chopped coriander leaves and mix. Now we add the thin variety of flattened rice to absorb any excess moisture from the onion mixture. Mix it well and our stuffing is ready. Allow it to cool a bit. To assemble the samosas, take a spring roll sheet and place a little onion mixture at the top corner and start folding in triangle shape as shown. When you reach the end of the sheet, apply some water on it and stick it onto the samosa. Similarly, prepare the rest of the samosas. Now it's time to fry. The oil must be hot enough, but not too hot. When you drop the samosas in it, it should sizzle and start forming blisters, but should not brown instantly. Fry them until they are golden brown and drain on a paper towel. Hot onion samosas are ready. I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.